If you've ever wanted to keep your personal information hidden when people look up your domain, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Namecheap domain privacy, step by step, so your contact details are protected from public domain registration records wherever privacy protection applies. This is a simple setting, but it makes a big difference for security and peace of mind. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Domain List. This section shows every domain currently connected to your account. Now find the domain name you want to protect. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Next, click Manage right next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, where you can adjust important options like DNS, renewal, and privacy. On this page, look for the Domain Privacy option. Depending on your account and domain type, it may also appear as withheld for privacy. That's the setting you need to protect your WHOAS details from being publicly visible. Once you find it, locate the protection toggle. This is the switch that controls whether privacy is active or not. Turn the toggle on. After you switch it on, Namecheap should begin enabling privacy protection for that domain. Give it a moment to update and then confirm that domain privacy is enabled. You should now see that the protection is active for the domain you selected. With this turned on, your personal contact information will be hidden from public domain registration records where privacy protection applies. That means your name, address, email, and other details are much less exposed to spam, scraping, and unwanted contact. It's one of the easiest ways to make your domain safer and more professional. If you're managing a website, a brand, or even a side project, this is definitely something you should check right away. And that's it, you've successfully enabled Namecheap domain privacy. It only takes a few clicks, but it can help protect your identity and keep your domain information private. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, helpful tips, and simple walkthroughs like this one.